Want to create your very own cinematic universe?
Your very own cinematic masterpiece.
Just like these.
With Veo 3.1, it's possible.
Imagine making a movie that looks like it cost millions of dollars, but you create it at home, in minutes, with almost no budget. You can use Veo 3.1 through Gemini or Google AI Studio if you have Gemini Pro or Ultra. It's also available on platforms like Higgsfield, OpenArt AI, and others. But here's the secret. The absolute best way to use every new Veo 3.1 feature is inside Google Flow. Flow is Google's all-in-one studio for generating and editing AI images and videos. Fast, clean, and incredibly powerful. If you're following along, type Flow in your search bar now and open it up. Once you find Google Flow, log in with your Gemini account. Inside, click New Project. Your screen will load the new Flow interface. This update is huge. You'll now see two separate tabs. Video image before, everything was crammed into one place, and honestly, it was a mess. Fast mode versus quality mode. Veo 3.1 gives you two ways to generate. Fast mode uses fewer credits required for many new tools and features. Quality mode gives cleaner results, but uses more credits, and some new features don't work in this mode yet. Hopefully, Google updates that soon, but for now, choose carefully. Step 2, creating the exact video you imagine. Let's start with the most accurate method. Open the drop-down menu and you'll see 4 options: text to video, frames to video, ingredients to video, create image. We're beginning with frames to video because it's the most reliable way to control exactly what happens in your scene. Using frames to video, maximum accuracy. When you select this option, you'll see 2 plus icons appear. These are for your starting frame, your ending frame. You can use just the starting frame, but using both gives much better control and prevents hallucinations. I've already generated my images, so I upload them now. Next, select quality mode. This feature works here. Choose one result, no need to waste credits. Now we write a detailed prompt. Veo 3.1 needs clear, specific instructions. If you're vague, it will hallucinate, which is why I have a checklist of elements that I make sure to include in my prompt. Here's my prompt. A cinematic superhero-style scene where a girl stands on the edge of a tall rooftop during golden hour. The camera starts low and wide, showing the whole building as she prepares to run. She sprints forward and jumps off the edge of the terrace across the gap in a bold, heroic way. The camera tracks her smoothly and briefly slows down midair to highlight her strength and determination. Warm sunlight shines on her, creating soft rim lighting around her body and dramatic shadows on the rooftops. You can hear rushing wind during the jump, light city sounds in the background, and epic action music building up. She lands safely on the terrace of the next building with a strong impact. Then, the camera shifts to a low-angle shot as she crouches in a powerful hero pose, looking confident and fearless. As you can see from the prompt, I've included the movie style, camera angles, action, lighting, sounds. That communicates a complete understanding of what we want in our video. Sometimes when I'm unsure, I like to type in a brief prompt and then use ChatGPT to make it more descriptive. All right, so click Generate, and boom, your own cinematic moment in seconds. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the next tricks. Step 3, the ingredients feature, my favorite. This feature is absolutely game-changing. With ingredients to video, you can upload up to 3 images like yourself, a location, and a product, plus an optional reference image. Then you write one detailed prompt to tell Veo how to blend everything into a single video. This feature only works in fast mode right now. I upload a photo of myself, a location, a product I want to showcase, add a detailed prompt. Click go.
I'm all out of the only thing that works on zombies.
and the results are insane. This is also how you maintain consistent characters, which used to be nearly impossible. Step 4. Making long, continuous videos. To extend your scenes, add all your clips to the Scene Builder. Open Scene Builder mode. Choose the clip you want to extend. Click Extend. Write your continuation prompt. Generate.
You've got this.
Your video continues smoothly, like it was planned from the start. If you don't like the last frame of your clip, click the exact frame you do like. Select Save as Asset. Add it as your new starting frame. Regenerate from there. This method is way more reliable than the Jump To feature, which can be unpredictable. Step 5. Downloading your final video. Once your masterpiece is ready, click Download. Choose your preferred resolution. Done. You've just created a custom AI short film. If you reach this point, comment, "I'm ready to create." You now have everything you need to become the next generation of indie filmmakers using Veo 3.1 and Google Flow. If you want a full tutorial on image generation for video, let me know in the comments. That topic deserves its own deep dive. Until then, keep creating, keep experimenting, and I'll see you in the next one.